What is going on, guys? Skrillex-Dev Gaming here today, and I am going to be bringing you a Python tutorial on the random feature of Python. It's not actually in Python itself, but someone has made it, and you can implement the code by just typing in import random. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is choosing a random integer. So what we want to do is we want to do random.rand int parentheses for the parameters, and 1 through whatever the number you want it to be. It can be 2 through whatever the number you want to be. It's just your choice. Then you can have it do print. Alright, I need to assign this. Assign this to an actual variable, I guess. Let's just say C equals. Okay, then we can do print C. Or we could just, do that, and it will probably choose. It chose 2, and if we type in C down here, it'll return 2 because that's what it is. And let's say you want to get a decimal, like a decimal number. What you want to do is instead of typing randint, you want to put in, wow, I'm so good with spacing, tabbing. You want to do random.uniform. And now what this is going to do is it's going to choose a random float 1 through 9. I'm guessing, let me take a guess, 3.7. Oh, I guess I should, right, see. Oh, 8.8. Oh, I was wrong. Dang. And now, finally, if you want to choose from a list. So what you want to do is you want to do C equals random dot choice. Okay, and then you want to do parentheses, braces. No, those brackets. Brackets. If you want it from a random list of numbers like 1, 2, 3, you can do that. I think, yeah, Control R, C. Yeah, it chose 2 that time. Or let's say you want it from strings, and if you don't know what strings are, you don't belong here. So let's say I wanted to choose from a name of list, say Andrew. Then the next one could be Jacob. And then the next one could be I can't think of a third name for some reason. We'll just say YOLO. YOLO's the third name. So now if we hit Control R and put in C, it will return Andrew because my code loves me. And now let's just say you want to look like a hacker and you want to have a whole bunch of just random generating numbers. You're going to want to make a while loop. So if you just want to randomly generate a shit ton of numbers for God knows why, okay, come on. What you want to do is you want to make a while statement. While true. That'll work. Oh. While true. Okay, yeah. While true, x equals random dot choice. Now random.randint, we'll do random.randint, and then we'll do 1 through 420. Okay. Now, then what we want to do is we want to print, then x, that will work, and if x equals 420, then we're going to break. And now what break does is that's going to get rid of the while statement while true. Let's just go ahead and run that. Okay, it randomly you know what, maybe I should make that a bigger number so it runs for longer. Yeah, actually let me see how many times it took it to do that. And a way we can do that is we can add a counter. Z plus equals 1. Let's go up here and define the Z variable. Z equals 0. And now that Z will... What? Whoa. Why? Wow. That statement wasn't true, so it decided to throw an error. Ah, why aren't you working? I don't understand. Oh, I know why. Because I'm dumb. Yeah, that's why. Still, yeah, that'll work. So now we're going to hit run, and it went and... What? No, wait. Hang on, I'm being dumb right now. Print, and then Z. When it breaks, it should print Z. Just say Z plus meow, because why not? Fine, we'll put this here because code's being retarded right now. That spacing's off. Need to fix that. Okay. Right, this isn't Java. I can't do that. Okay, yeah, it took 103 times that time for that to go through. So yeah, that's your pretty much thing on random. But let's really look like a hacker here, shall we? Blah 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 blah. Now, bam. I'm lagging my computer a little bit actually. That's just randomly generating a whole bunch of numbers. It would probably take a few days or maybe a year before it actually hits 420, because there's such a big range of numbers. A computer can only process so fast. So yeah, this has been Skrillex-Dev teaching you how to Python random, and I am out. Why didn't you stop recording?